Hi, my name is Chetan. I am going to cover one of the important topic, physical inventory in EWM. Basically, for any company to keep their inventory up to date, they have to follow the physical inventory process. So we will try to understand how it's performed. So for this, we need to do some customization setting, and after completing customization setting we need to run one simple cycle to understand how it is working. So for the customization setting we need to define first physical inventory area. So in our case we will define tpi underscore 04, then activity area, then we need to assign the activity area to storage bin, then we have to define the sort sequence, need to perform bin sorting, and as we are performing physical inventory we also need to define the tolerance, and we have to assign the user to specific tolerance group to perform the transaction. So let's move on to the system and see how we can do this customization. In SPRO, extended warehouse management, internal warehouse processes in that physical inventory, and we have this physical inventory area specific setting. So in this we will be creating physical inventory area, copying this inventory area, keeping settings same as this, like lspi, low stock check, and so on. I will copy this record and will say new physical inventory area is tpi underscore 04. Then we will be copying all the data, and three records are get copied. That is nothing but permitted document types for this physical inventory area. So this is the ad hoc physical inventory storage bin specific, and then we have ad hoc physical inventory product specific, and then low stock check physical inventory. So I will save this record and move further. So I have completed first step. Second step is related to the activity area. We have to go in master data, activity area, and define activity area. So in our warehouse we need to define the activity area. Again I will take a reference of this existing activity area and creating new activity area, that is tpi 4. So this activity area is a pi activity area that we are going to use it for physical inventory. We'll copy this activity area and we define the sort sequence. So for this we need to assign first to the storage bin to activity area. So there are three storage type we are going to use it for this activity area. So the new activity area will maintain for storage type 0015, 0020 and 0015. So I will copy this record and new activity area, enter. Again same for the second sequence, TPI for activity area, and this is belongs to 0020, and finally storage type is 0015. That has also extended for activity area 4. Once we have completed storage bin assignment, we will perform the sort sequence for the activity area. Warehouse, we need to add the new entries for activity area. So we'll take the reference of existing TPI1 activity area and will be replaced with TPI4. So in this sequence we have assigned to activity, and in that sort sequence is stack, level and bin subdivision for sequence 1. Similarly for sequence 2. And sequence 3 is 0015 storage type. So we have assigned the sort sequence as well. Now we can assign physical area to the activity area. Warehouse, activity area TPI4, and physical inventory area is TPI underscore 04. After assigning this physical inventory area to activity area, we have to define the tolerance. So tolerance, we can see. So for this warehouse, we have this tolerance. In that value based tolerance, 10,000 euro value has entered. So this is tolerance group is high tolerance group. Yeah, so this is SPRO settings. Now we will see master data settings, that we will be doing it for the storage bin, that is called as sort storage bin. For this we will be using activity area that we have defined, that is TPI4, and activity is INV, that is inventory. When we run this, we'll get the simulation of bin sorting in a sequence, and after this we will be running, and that says that sorting created successfully, so this activity has performed. And after this we have to perform setting that is related to physical inventory user assignment to the tolerance group. So you remember that we have created a tolerance group as high, so we will be maintaining the entry for the user ID. So user is this, and for this we are going to maintain the tolerance group, that is HIGH, high. So this is one record, and we have one more record, that is the assignment of user to the tolerance group for recounting and clearing. Okay, so this is for difference analyzer, and this is for recount and clearing. So we will see what is different analyzer when we run the cycle, and recount, it means that if you want to recount again, so for that there is some tolerance again, so that we have to maintain, and that is at activity area level. So our activity is TPI4, and this is the tolerance that we are going to enter. And this is all the settings that we have to do for the physical inventory. And now we can run one simple cycle from creating PI document, that is physical inventory document, and then we will be performing counting, and after completing counting we will be doing the posting, so that stock will be corrected. So we will see first what is the existing stock. So if I go in this transaction SCWM hash MON, we will be checking the system stock for this product, and we will take that note like 497 is the book stock. It means the system right now this quantity is available, and warehouse operator perform the recounting after creating the physical inventory document for the storage bin. Okay, so for this they have to create first PI document, and the operator will perform the counting. Let's say in place of 497, they have noticed that they have the stock of 495 in place of 497, so they will be updating the correct quantity, and then further we will be doing the posting. So for the creation of PI document, we have the storage bin, so we will be creating PI document. So we have to go One step back. So under master data section, we can find, yeah, sorry, in the physical inventory section, we can find the transaction that is relevant for creation of PI, physical inventory document. In that, we'll be entering the storage bin where we have the stock, and for this we can see the form view. This is a storage bin, storage type 0001, and we have to set the flag block and save the record. So we have to take a note of this document, that is 7002 is a PI document. So once we have created the PI document, operator will start count, and he will enter the real count against this document, that is 7002. We have to say we want to count it, count, who is going to count, user ID, and which date we want to do this counting. Once we have done this, we have this record, and in that now you will be entering the counted value, that is 495, and here you can see the book value is a 497, so there is two pieces less, so actual stock is 495. We have to save this document, and you can see the PI status is got updated as counted, means counting has performed. And after this we will be doing the posting of the difference, so that is process physical inventory document. Again, you have to enter the document number, that is 7002, and we can select the record, and here we have to say post and save. The PI status will be changed from counted to posted. Now, as a result of this activity, we will find that the stock is got reduced from 497 to 495. Yes, so you can see that this is the corrected stock now. And now the final step is that we have to run the difference analyzer. This is the last step for the product. Product is TEW 4206. So we can see this is the value, difference value, currency, posting date, what is the difference, all the information we can see, and that we can post. Clear the two different, we have to say yes, that's it. So this is all the process to run the physical inventory. Hope you find interesting. Thank you. Bye.